Welcome back to Auto India Car, your trusted destination for the most exciting and attractive car reviews in India, and today, we have something truly special and nostalgic for all Indian automobile lovers. Yes, we are talking about the Tata Sierra, an iconic name that once ruled Indian roads and has now made a spectacular comeback in a totally modern, futuristic avatar. Buckle up and let's dive into a detailed 700-word review that blends nostalgia, innovation and pure driving excitement. The moment you see the new Tata Sierra, you'll realize it's more than just a car, it's an emotion. Tata has beautifully reimagined the classic Sierra design with a modern interpretation that immediately grabs attention. The signature wraparound rear glass from the old model is retained in a beautiful new style, giving the SUV a distinctive look that you won't find in any other car on the road. The bold front fascia, muscular wheel arches and dramatic side profile give it the right amount of aggression and sophistication that an Indian SUV truly deserves. Step inside the cabin and you will be blown away by the premium experience. Tata has gone all in on luxury and comfort. The Sierra comes with a spacious cabin that feels airy and refined thanks to a large panoramic sunroof and glass area. The dashboard design is minimalist yet tech-loaded with a huge touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is fully digital, giving the driver all the information in a crisp and easy-to-read format. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting and premium leather seats really elevate the entire interior feel. Let's talk about performance, because a true SUV must deliver on power and capability. The Tata Sierra is expected to come with both petrol and electric powertrain options, catering to a wide range of customers. The petrol engine packs enough punch for confident highway cruising and smooth city drivability. But the highlight is the fully electric version, which offers instant torque and a silent, refined driving experience. The electric Tata Sierra is expected to offer a range of around 400 to 500 kilometers on a single charge, which makes it practical for both daily use and long-distance travel. Acceleration is brisk and the car handles impressively, even around tight corners and rough Indian roads. Tata has always been serious about safety and the new Sierra is no different. The car will come equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold control and many more advanced features. Tata is also expected to offer ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control to ensure maximum safety for passengers. This ensures the Tata Sierra stands strong not just in style and performance, but also when it comes to the most important factor, family safety. Another area where the Tata Sierra scores big is practicality. The rear seats offer excellent legroom, shoulder room and headroom. The boot is large enough to carry luggage for a full family road trip. There are plenty of storage pockets and cup holders integrated smartly across the cabin. The rear door design and seat layout make getting in and out of the car very easy, especially for elderly passengers. When it comes to technology and connectivity, the Tata Sierra is ready for the future. It features connected car tech with remote vehicle monitoring, live tracking, remote engine start-stop, air conditioning control and even remote charging status, in the electric variant directly from your smartphone. Voice assistant support ensures you can control most features hands-free, making your journeys more comfortable and safe. So, is the new Tata Sierra worth waiting for? Absolutely yes. Tata Motors has not only revived a legend, but has taken it to the next level by combining classic design heritage with modern innovation. For those who grew up in the 90s, seeing the Sierra name back on Indian roads will be a pure emotional moment. And for the younger generation, this is a brand new SUV that looks futuristic, drives confidently and feels premium from every angle. Whether you love adventurous road trips, city drives or simply want to stand out on the road, the Tata Sierra checks all the boxes. It delivers a unique combination of style, power, comfort and high-tech features that very few SUVs in the market can match. So that's our exclusive 700-word review on the Tata Sierra for our very own Auto India Car family. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Tell us in the comments, would you buy the new Tata Sierra once it launches in India? And stay tuned because we will be bringing walk around, test drive and comparison videos very soon.